here is the trailhead. You go up this road and then you do a big lollipop and come back. About 11 miles. Takes about 2.5 hours, give or take, depending on how much you stop. Ride along as I show you the complete Slaughterhouse Gulch Trail. We will speed through the faster sections, and I will show you clips of the obstacles along the way. Slaughterhouse Gulch is a moderate trail located about an hour outside of Denver near Bailey, Colorado. The loop has a handful of sections with easy obstacles and a few more advanced obstacles with bypasses. Any decent stock 4x4 should be able to complete the loop, but armor is definitely suggested. Let's check out the trail. The first 15 minutes or so of the drive are basically just a fire road, with plenty of dispersed camping along the way. At this point, you veer right to do the loop in the counterclockwise direction. This first ascent is pretty gradual and has no obstacles to speak of. It ends in a nice big parking area at the top of the hill. This is a great spot to take your first break, get some pictures, and prepare for the descent to come. Now we start a quick descent. This is the steepest area on the trail, so turn on your crawl control or shift into a low gear. Here I decided to take the easier route. A more lifted vehicle should be able to handle this no problem. You will go through several little water crossings, and their depth will vary based on the time of the year. Let's go. And before you know it, you're at the next stopping area. Another great place to get out and stretch your legs. Time to stop and take in the scenery before we do our next big climb. There are several different lines you can take through these climbing sections, ranging from very easy to moderately difficult. time to bounce down another steep downhill section. Once at the bottom of this slope, you are pretty much done with all of the obstacles. Now you just get back to the fork and head back down to the trailhead. Alright, we're coming to the end of the trail here. That's the lollipop we just did. It's pretty good, nothing too terribly difficult. As the leader, I did hit my skid plate a couple times and hit my rock sliders a couple times. There's ample parking for unloading at the trailhead. Now for our least favorite part, airing up. Definitely need to get a better solution for that. If you have any suggestions on air pumps, go ahead and put it in a comment. Thanks for riding with me on this trail. This is a great one for any light off-roading rig or overland build. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more overlanding adventures.